How to cancel Terabox subscription. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using an updated version of the Terabox application, and now go ahead and launch the Terabox application on your device. Once launched, make sure you are signed in and further tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Further, look for an option related to subscriptions or billing. Now, in order to cancel these subscriptions, follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. There may be a cancel or unsubscribe button to confirm. Once you have tapped on the cancel or unsubscribe button, confirm your cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Keep this for your records. So, this is how you can cancel Terabox subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.